Time is now 9 o'clock. City is still sleeping, so it is a very good time to leave when there's not much traffic. The bay is relaxed, and we had a very good time here, as I mentioned. It's a wonderful city. We stayed in a beautiful hotel. This is Hotel Piran, a very famous one, very old one. Our first stop will be in a gas station because we all need to fuel up. So today's ride is going to take us through the southern borders of Slovenia, mainly along the Croatian border. We heard that it's a very nice area to ride, and there's only one thing to do, is to find out whether this is true. It's not a long road today, only 300 and something kilometers. There isn't nothing else planned. Pure enjoyable ride. Finally, we are off the highway. We're going to cross it beneath, and the beautiful part of the riding of the day will start. Our next stop is within something like 35 kilometers. Should be a small village or a small town. And if you're asking yourself, the temperature now is 26 degrees. It's like full summer. Beautiful here. My impression now from this part of the country that you don't see much motorcycles, unlike in the Triglav National Park, which was full with motorcyclists. Over here it's rather deserted. It's only us on the road. Crossing the highway again from below, and I must tell you, it's really beautiful here. I like it. I think it's a pity that people don't come here with their bikes. Upon our way to the castle, we stumbled into this Middle Ages old town, which is called Ribnica. And guess what? They have a witchcraft museum. I think that we should learn a few things over there that might come handy one day. Looks like a serious business. It's very important, Yadin, that you will come to this museum, because here you will learn what your wife is really doing.
The dungeons.
Ta na 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 na. Okay.
טוב, אני מנסה להבין, יש לך משהו באנגלית?
It's all in Slovenian, so we can understand it. This one looks cool.
תראה, הנה. זה מדבר בעד עצמו, לא צריך להוסיף לזה.
Yes. Very comfortable armchair.
ספר כשפים לדעתך?
Let's go up. Ta na 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 na. Ta na na. Okay. It's all in Croatian. Okay. Much witchcraft we didn't find in this tiny museum, and I don't think that you will learn something from it, but it was a nice place to stop. I'm standing here near the river in this old village from the Middle Ages, and There's one thing that I always wanted, is if I could be transferred in a time machine to this place exactly as it was in the 1500. It should be amazing to see how the people were dressed, what did they eat, what language did they speak, how did they look like. Basically, people didn't change much during the years, I guess. Would be amazing. I wouldn't though, would like to stay here for a long time. I wouldn't survive. But 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just to look and see. It's really fascinating and amazing. I guess it won't happen. Let's ride. We are just riding along the Croatian border. Look at the fences here on the right side. I think they put them here in order to prevent trespassing. So this is actually the border on the right side. There's a river here, which you cannot see because of the vegetation. So these are all the fences. We got here by mistake, but I must tell you the truth that I'm very happy that we did, because it's a beautiful road in the forest. So thank you very much, Ronela and Yadin, for bringing us here. What do you say, David? Do you approve? Do you have headlights? Here's the fence again and the river. Step away from Croatia. David doesn't like fences. I can understand you, David. Looks like a brand new fence. How do I know? If it was an old one, the barbed wire would be rusted. This one is glistening. David, we are riding just along the border, and you know what it makes us? The border patrol, the unofficial border patrol. We just left the border. We are on our way, something like 20 kilometers away from the Vinica Castle, which is our destination for today. I will tell you more about the castle when we will get there. The roads are just magnificent and the day is beautiful. Who needs more? Hey everybody, you won't believe this. This is our home for tonight. This is the Vinca Castle. No, this was originally built some 600 years ago, but recently renovated, and now it's a hotel. But guess what? We are the only guests in this hotel. So basically we have the whole castle for ourselves. How lovely is it? Stay with me and I will show you the interior, because it's really amazing. I've never seen something like it. Guys, unbelievable. I'm alone in this castle. Over there you can see our bikes parked. Nobody parks here. You can see the river. Okay, let's go upstairs. Some ancient document. I'll show you the room. It is really incredible. Side. Look at the bathroom. A wooden bath. Shower. Fancy. Huge bed. And look at the view of the river. Wow. Came the end of our 5th day in Slovenia. It was time to relax and have dinner in the only local pizzeria not far away from the castle. Good morning and welcome to the 6th day of our journey in Slovenia. It was a bit rainy the last night. It's a bit rainy now. This is the castle, beautiful castle we spent the night in. Here is Yadin, he's making his motorcycle ready. David is all packed and ready to go. Our next destination today is Jerusalem, but not the one you know, different Jerusalem. It's somewhere in the north of Slovenia. So let's go there.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So the sun came out and we managed to get rid of all the rain gear, which is much nicer. And then you can see we are traveling here in the forests, and the roads are just beautiful. We have something like 3 hours of riding through this scenery, I guess, until we will get to the city of Ptuj. And from there it is very close to our final destination. Today is our 6th day of riding, and tomorrow we will say goodbye. Yael and Yedin and Runela will go back to Ljubljana, and I will start my travel towards Budapest, because it's time for tango. Roads to Jerusalem took us through that green landscape of Slovenia. We arrived late in the evening to our hotel, which was hard to find at first since it was renovated and the owners did not yet manage to replace the signs, but all good at the end.
The opening of the hotel, we are the first guest. It's the grand opening of the hotel. This is the reason they didn't change the
sign?
outside. The sign, yes.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we are in Sibon's spa resort. Okay, we are the first guest. They put a red carpet.
If you like this video, don't forget to give me big thumbs up and subscribe please. David will be happy to read your comments. So see you in our next episode.